Ever had that annoying moment when your Discord pals can hear you because your mic decides to go on strike? No sweat. In this video, I'll walk you through some easy peasy fixes to get that mic back in action straight from your PC. So let's dive into solutions. Solution 1. Restart Windows Audio Service. To do this, first click on the search icon and type in CMD. Then right click on command prompt from the search result, select Run as Administrator from the menu and click on Yes to give permission. Now, in this window, type in netstop audio SRV and hit enter. After that, type in netstart audio SRV and press enter. Now, check if that did the trick. Solution 2. Set correct input device in Discord. To do this, open up Discord on your PC. Click on the gear icon from the lower left corner of the screen to bring up settings. Then switch to the voice and video tab. After that, click on this box under the input device section and choose your microphone from the list. Now check if the issue is solved. Solution 3. If your microphone is still not working, try updating your microphone driver. You can either update it from Windows Update or Device Manager. To update your microphone driver from Windows Update, open Settings. Then click on Windows Update and click on Check for Update. Now, Windows will update any outdated driver, including your microphone driver. However, if there are no updates found here, you have to use the Device Manager. For this, type Device Manager in the search box and click on it. After Device Manager opens up, extend the audio inputs and outputs by clicking the arrow next to it. Next, right-click on your microphone device and select Update Driver. Then click on Search Automatically for Driver. Now Device Manager will update your audio driver. After this, reboot your computer and check if your mic is working. Solution 4. Turn on microphone access for apps. To do this, open up Settings, then click on Privacy and Security from the left side menu. Now, scroll down a little and click on Microphone from here. Then toggle on microphone access from here. Also, turn on Let App access your microphone if it's turned off. Now, check if the issue is solved. Solution 5. If the mic's still not working, try setting the correct microphone as default. To do this, simply right-click on the sound icon in your taskbar and click on Sound Settings. Then in the input section, click on the microphone you want to use as the default service. Then in the input section, click on the microphone you want to use as the default device. Now, the microphone should start working as intended. So that's how you fix microphone not working issue in Discord on your computer. If the video helped you sort this out, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks a million for watching.